I am Kapil Shah and you are watching Strength Analysis by FinLearn Academy. So in the market, we don't have the limited money, we have the limited time, we have the limited energy. So how to optimize it? So in the exercise of the strength analysis, we just try to understand that okay, at this particular state of the market, which sectors are moving and which sectors are underperforming. So when the market comes down, it is not so that the entire market is coming down within the same intensity. Some sectors are outperforming or they are falling less as compared to the broader market, and some sectors are very exponentially coming down. So in the strength analysis, we just try to understand that within different time scales. So this is the time where we are seeing the very steep declining momentum. So our top that is formed at an 800 level on the 1st December till our last Friday, that was 7600 level, market was down by 6%. So we are collecting this data for 1.5 year, in a previous week, 4 weeks average, previous month, and a 3 months average. So in this particular time frame, we are seeing that metal, oil and gas that have consistently doing well, but by the same time they have performed so well. But now in the list, we are seeing the two most sectors. So let's say, for example, automobile. Earlier, it was not a part of the top five sectors, but slowly and steadily, we have started to see that it is now coming up in a various frequencies. By the same time, long back, we used to see the IT sector at the bottom side. Almost in all the time frequencies, the IT sector was coming. Now we are seeing that the IT sector is coming out from the bottom five sectors. It is just into the previous month's declining momentum, and now in a previous week and a 4 weeks average, IT sector is doing well. So we can understand now that automobile and IT sector are doing well in recent state of the market. So market has fallen down by the 7%. It has come to the 7,400 level, which is in line with the previous falls as well. It has not formed any kind of strong support level. But if market are likely to bounce from this point, then there is an understanding of automobile and some of the counters like the IT sectors can do well. So let's say the automobile stock is doing well, but it is again not so that each and every automobile stocks is doing well. So for that particular purpose, we need to see that what are the sectors are doing well within the automobile stocks. So here we go. We look at a base file. So in the base file, let's say I am looking at automobile stocks. So I got a complete list of automobile stocks. So within the automobile stock, there is segregations like automobile, two and three wheelers, cars, LCVs, LCVs, so on and so forth. And here, if I just try to look at which are the sectors are doing well right now. So here I got a list. In this particular declining model, when the market was down by 9%, this Sundaram Fastener stock is up by 9%. And when the overall scale also, this is the stock is forming the top, means one of the top is it is coming up by the 4%. So I understand, okay, fine, Sundaram Fastener, it has some sorts of a momentum. So this is a not a kind of buy recommendations that we can say, but we get a priority. In a recent test of the market, we can look at auto stocks, and within the auto stocks, these are the couple of stocks that we can have an eye on. So we save our time, we save our energy to hit on the nail. Now the next part is that let's come to the Sundaram Fastener on the technical. So how the technical charts looks like for this. So in the Sundaram Fastener stocks, we normally see that it is how this particular stock has behaved. So our swing analysis starts with a monthly chart. So here we are seeing that the stock has been under the northward journey. It is almost at an all-time high level. So when the market is down by the 7%, this stock is at an all-time high level. So there is a good development that we can see. Then afterwards, on the low time frame, how the stock prices are doing. So on the weekly chart, if I see on the line chart, so I understand, okay, fine, stock is giving the breakout, and right now the stock has selling above its immediate levels. So here, if I put the horizontal line at my previous stocks, so prices has broken the previous stocks and then it is started to pick up its momentum. On the daily chart, prices are stuck into one bit range. So I understand that okay, fine, right now the stock is under the consolidation patch and it is reacting from the upper band of consolidation patch. But once I see price gives the breakout from this particular point, so right now the prices are at 987, but prices are moving above the 1004, 1005 level. So that is a fresh breakout I can say. Now this is not just a stock analysis. Here we understand that in a current context of the market, automobile stocks are doing well. Within the automobile stocks, Sundaram Fastener is one of the leading stock in a recent fall we can see. And once we find the technical breakouts in that, then it amplifies a lot. यहाँ पे हमें कुछ एक ज़्यादा clarity देखने मिलती है. So there is what automobile stocks. Now in the same way, if I look at IT stocks, because IT stock is occurring quite well, So earlier it used to be under bottom five, now it is coming under the top five stock list. It doesn't have that much kind of frequency, but IT stock has started to pick up its momentum. In our previous video, we have discussed that the overall view for the IT stocks is a time-wise correction mode, but intermediate there can be some sort of improvement in some specific counters. So let's say right now use IT stocks are there. So in the same way, I go back to my basics. Automobile stocks, rather than the automobile stocks, I choose IT sector, and within the IT sector, if I wanted to see in this particular 6% fall, which stock has moved well, so I understand okay, in this 6% fall, Persistence, GoForge, Sonata Software is doing quite well. They are into the positive territory. Sonata Software being under the small cap 100, as of now there is a pressure in the small cap 100, so we give it a part and we look at Persistent, GoForge. Fine. So this is what the price performance are there. If I look at the weekly returns as well, so if weekly return wise, I have again seen the IT sector where in a previous week, that is what 23rd to 27th Jan, when the market was down by the 2.35 percentage. So this was an increased return. So when the market was down by such percentage, so these are the stocks has performed in this particular way. So percentage Coforge on the weekly basis and in the 42 trading sessions where we are seeing the declining momentum, they have been the performer consistently. So now I can understand that okay, let's have a view on the persistence and Coforge. So I have analyzed both. I find the Coforge a little bit more appealing. Then I take you to the Coforge now. So let's say okay, this is what my now I need to understand the technically yeah, what are the formations technically it is happening. So this is the Coforge. Now in the Core4 chart, monthly chart, what is happening? Price has declined a lot, it has stabilized, and afterwards, after stability, prices started to give a breakout on the high side. So after the decent corrective declining momentum, prices started to pick up its move. On the weekly chart, if I see the prices have formed some sorts of base. In our education session, we normally used to say that कि पहला दाव भगवान का and दूसरा दाव अपना. Because in a second move, there is a good decent upside momentums that we have seen. So price has moved up, it has formed the base, whatever the previous bearish engulfing pattern that was a negative development that has formed, the price has moved above this level. So it means that now the buyers has enough strength to absorb the selling pressure at an important levels. So this is what in bullish continuation sign I can see, and with this particular thing, I can see on the weekly chart the higher and higher lows formation has started in. So this is what a positive trend we can see, and this upside momentum is emerging from the previous bottoms. On the daily chart, if I see, price has gave the breakout. Again, in our education sessions, we have talked about one thing: okay, expanded range candle, retracement to the midpoint, and then the follow-up sign. So price has moved up, it has came down. This declining momentum come to the support level of this particular thing, and price started to become its momentum. So in a very short-term trading perspective, though this particular points becomes our stop loss point on the lower side, and from current market price to midpoint, that becomes our accumulation zone, and we pay attention to our next best resistance levels. So one next best resistance level is around this particular point, but as the trend is quite positive, so we pay attention to the second resistance levels as well. So these were in stiff resistance level because good amount of selling pressure is emerging. So first and second level that we are able to see. So this is how the strength analysis are useful for us. So this particular detailed information you can find on our tradable mobile applications as well as on the FinLearn Academy website. Whatever the discussions that we did, that is for the education purpose only. Thank you so much.